So here we are utilising a multi-panel system. We've got a 25mm CNC shower base here with an upstand system and stainless steel flashings, followed by a 12mm wall lining sheet, creating a completely encapsulated shower base. We've then got an 8mm multi-panel system here on the floor, which will butt up in line with our shower base, basically creating a full tanked effect to your bathroom. So the team here at C1 Building Solutions have installed multi-panels complete wet area system here. This installation took us under an hour. We've eliminated the need for any screeds to the floor and any issues with dry time. As you can see, I'm already standing on the system. We can touch it and feel it. This system now requires no further liquid membranes and is completely 100% waterproof. So the benefit of this system for C1 is peace of mind and timeline compression. Basically, we finish this within an hour. We don't need to come back to this site. There's no extra visits for liquid membranes. Prior to multi-panel, one of our biggest issues is following trades coming into the work site, damaging the liquid membranes that we relied on, and therefore, causing a defective system that would leak later down the track. The beauty of this system is not only the time of install, but the durability and strength of the system as well. A tiler can come along, he can damage it, guys can work on this stuff all day, plaster over the top of it, all sorts of different trades can come in and it doesn't affect our system at all. So with traditional systems, basically we would come here first, we would apply some liquid membranes underneath the screed. We'd have to screed, we'd have to wait for the screeds to dry, we'd then return to site, we would waterproof again, we'd have to time that in with all the plasterers and all the other trades as well. A system like this to do a compliant shower base could take us 2 to 3 visits. Here with multi-panel, we've had 1 visit and we're completed with under an hour.